Hi friends, today I am going to try a variety dish with tapioca. Tapioca, as you know, is a root. Actually, it's not a root. Actually, cassava is the root and tapioca is the starch that is taken from it and made into pearls that we call sabudana in India. So today I am going to make an ice cream with tapioca, pearls, and coconut milk. And since I don't have the tapioca flour with me, I powdered the uh, sabudana or the tapioca pearls. So this is the powdered pearl, and it's a very easy process. It's simple, and I'll make it now within seconds. Okay. This recipe is known as the tapioca ice cream cake. So first we will take 2 cups of milk, then whip it, then add coconut milk to it, so that was half cup of coconut milk, and this is 1 cup of condensed milk, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of desiccated coconut. You can get desiccated coconut from the shops. I have used fresh coconut here since I got fresh raw coconut. I grated some coconut and I have added it. Now finally I'll add the tapioca pearls. So tapioca pearls, as you know, is starch. Since it's starchy, that will give a good binding to the mixture. So this has almost become a stiff mixture. Now that the mixing is over, we'll transfer this into a bowl. Now we'll refrigerate it for 40 minutes and then we will take it out. So I prepared this tapioca ice cream with powdered tapioca pearls or sabudana. Since I couldn't get tapioca flour, you can buy tapioca flour online, especially on Amazon. And as far as the taste of the ice cream, it was really tasty and yummy. I liked it, but I will give it only a rating of 8 out of 10 just because I'm not a fan of desiccated coconut dishes. And my family and my friends who had it, they gave a rating of 10 out of 10. So please try this recipe and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Cooking Daily. Thank you.